what? I wish I had a better bed. It stinks. Ew. Oh, what's for dinner? What? For dinner. What for dinner? What for dinner, Mom? Princess, Mom. Honey, be patient. Ow! Ew. Mom's naked. Yuck. Ugh. Wait, is Mom bloody? Ew. I thought she was covered in blood. Honey, go. I know, Mom. Now I'm gonna sit down. There. I have to get my beauty sleep sometimes, you know. What is nature? Nature's ugly. I'm going back to bed. Oh, where's the bathroom, Mom? Oh, I'm gonna play this game. This control. Stop stomping on the controls. Okay. Sorry, Mom. Oh, did you bake some cookies? Not for you. But I'm the princess around here. I'm the queen. You. The next morning. I feel like I'm naked. Ow! What's on my back? Wait, what? Can I fly? I can fly. I shouldn't tell Mom. Oh no, I gotta get changed. Ugh. Gotta get something really... there. They're a little chunky, but it's okay. Mom should not know that I have wings. What? I can't believe it. I grew wings like a dragon. I'm gonna just sit over here and wait. Oh, hello. I am your story godmother. Who? Well, more like 3. Go, vampire. I'm a magical vampire. Look at my beautiful face. Get away! Mom! Mom, there's a killer! Mom! It's your fairy godmother. Behave! Okay, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this skit. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? This skit is about, yeah, bye.